longer I'm out here, the more I forget who I was. The people I've hooked up with, they only care about what I become. Forget about my home, forget about DIALO. I'll make it on my own. Forget about my home, forget about my home, forget about DIALO. I'll make it on my own. Forget about my home. The more I disappear, the bigger these people loom. The ones I've hooked up with, they're not the right kind of friends. I fear. Forget about my home, forget about DIALO. I'll make it on my own. Forget about my home, forget about my home, forget about DIALO. I'll make it on my own. Forget about my home. Forget about my home, forget about DIALO. I'll make it on my own. Forget about my home, forget about my home, forget about DIALO. I'll make it on my own. Forget about my home.
What was the most interesting thing you found today?
We actually were able to uncover all of the floor within our unit on the south wall. I feel like that was pretty interesting because a lot of things came with that, like different pottery. We even found a little bit of charcoal at one point, but we couldn't use it because it was out of context.
What was the most interesting thing you found today?
Well, I found this obsidian blade. It was laying on the top of the unit. It wasn't even like underground, which was pretty cool. At first I thought it was just a regular piece of glass, but later on I found out it was like a legit obsidian blade, which was pretty cool.